want you to take a minute and just pause the video. I just want you to appreciate these socks and stocks. Alright, thank you. What's up everyone? Welcome to a Dan Chang video. It feels like it's been a hot minute since I last talked to my camera. So I thought I'd give a quick life update. I am living in Tamworth. Currently with all this virus stuff going on, everything's basically been moved online. So what that looks like for me is church goes online, Bible study goes online, the youth that I am involved with, we're also doing it online. Even work has changed a little bit for me. I'm a new grad physio. Started out working pretty much full time, 5 days a week, but now that all this has happened, I've been brought down to 4 days a week now. I live with two flatmates. One of them is called Ben and the other one's called Jacob. They're both pretty cool, I guess. I'm the coolest. There's no question about that one. On my spare time, I like to sit out here. We have a nice garden. The grass is always freshly mowed by me. By the way, what you see me wearing now, okay, this attire is like if I could choose one attire to live in, this is it. Living like a bum. That's about it really. So that's my life update. So this video, it's going to be a day in the life of eating for me. I hope you enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, too bad. Alright, we're actually going to go have some breakfast now because I'm starving. This coffee is going through me, if you know what I mean. Let's go have some breakfast. So now I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to show you a little bit of my training right now. All the public gyms are closed. I'm very lucky my workplace actually has a gym, so it's got all your barbells, plates and everything. So I'm going to go there, show you a little bit of my training nowadays. It brings a I'm currently using the Bulk Nutrients Whey Protein Isolate. So basically, Whey Protein Isolate is whey protein, but by itself. So it's the opposite of whey protein crowded. This one's healthier. got to the end of the video, well done. You've survived, you've passed the test. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know what sort of videos you want to see. Catch you in the next one. Bye.